These are 17 through 21. Remember, I'm doing the ones you don't have to do, so I can explain to you how to do it. Watch this video if you need help, and then keep going. I need to solve this by completing the square. I'll round my answer if necessary. Great. First step is it in standard form? Check. Are my constant moved to the other side? Check. I can't factor out any leading coefficients because it's 1, so that's done. So my next step would be figure out what to add. I'm going to add, take b, -6, divide it by 2, and square it. -6 divided by 2 is -3. -3 squared is 9. So I'm going to add 9 to this side and add 9 to this side. That's going to get me x squared minus 6x plus 9 equals 16 plus 9 is 25. Got to add it to both sides. Step 2, or step 4, I think we're on now, is to factor. What multiplies to a positive 9 but adds to a -6? That has to be -3 and -3. If I keep factoring, that's x minus 3 squared equals 25. Take the square root of both sides. This is x minus 3 equals, I added the square root, so I have to add the plus or minus. The square root of 25 is 5. So it's plus or minus 5. I'm going to add 3 to the other side. This is x is equal to 3 plus or minus 5. So 3 plus 5 is 8. 3 minus 5 is -2. Both of those are your correct answers, so I'm going to type both of those into my boxes.